Hello, I'm Jennifer Taglerino with the American Dairy Association Mideast. Today, I'll share some tips for safely serving dairy in the classroom and outside the cafeteria. Dairy tastes best when served cold. In the cafeteria, strive for 35. And remember, everything's fine below 39. Students like their milk and yogurt cold, and keeping dairy foods cold helps to minimize wastes and cost. Outside the cafeteria, you need creative, non-electric options to keep dairy foods cold. One way to ensure this at every meal is to use insulated cold bags like this one from Norris Products of Cincinnati. These blue insulated cold bags for dairy are made of FDA-approved wipeable materials that are easy to clean and sanitize. They feature a transparent front pocket to hold a class roster, logo, a picture of a mascot, or a motivational message. And a VELCRO strap across the back allows you to secure it to a transport cart. These bags will hold dairy foods at safe temperatures for up to 6 hours when following these tips. Pre-chill the bag to hold the temperature longer. Using the bags at room temperature is okay, but don't stock the bags directly from your hot storeroom. Make sure that dairy foods are at the proper temperature of 39 or below before placing them in the bag. Completely fill the bag. A full bag will stay cold longer. Only use freezer packs. These bags are not designed to be used with ice. Place freezer packs on top of the product for maximum cooling. Caring for these coolers is easy. Use only food products that are wrapped or packaged, no open foods. Use only food-safe cleaners and sanitizers. The materials on the inside and outside are designed to be wiped clean. Do not immerse these bags in water. This will damage the bag. Always air dry before storing, and store bags with the lids open to prevent odors. These bags are sized to hold 1 milk crate, which gives you several options for serving methods. 1 milk crate will hold 50 standard 8-ounce cartons or bottles of milk. For your multi-day meal distribution, 1 crate will hold 9 half-gallons or 4 gallons. The versatility of this cold bag goes beyond milk. These dishwasher-safe cold bag inserts have 9 dividers and allow you to serve center-of-the-plate dairy menu items, including student favorites like savory fiesta parfaits, smoothies, and overnight oats. In high schools, you can use these bags outside the cafeteria to serve popular cafe recipes, like Yogo coolers, iced cappuccinos, or Cincinnati School District's signature Mocha School Latte, which can be used as the milk component of the meal. By using 2 inserts in the bag, you can stack 3 10 to 14 ounce cups with flat lids for a total of 27 items per bag, perfect for a classroom of hungry scholars. You can find all these recipes and more at our website, drink-milk.com, in the Dairy and Schools section. Thank you for joining us today. Be safe, stay well, and have a great year.